Hi everyone, this is Vandana Prajapati and welcome to my business analysis series where I break down complex business concepts into simple practical insights you can actually use in your career. Whether you are preparing for a data role, business analyst position or aiming for leadership, this series is going to give you real industry clarity. Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen this happen? Developers saying, "Why are we building this?" Managers saying, "This is not what I asked for." Confusion, rework, wasted time, lost money. Now, here's the truth. Happens in almost every company, and the solution to this problem is called business analysis. So, what exactly is business analysis? Business analysis is the process of identifying business needs, solving problems, and enabling change in an organization. And the person who does this, a business analyst. Think of a business analyst as a bridge connecting business stakeholders and technical team, making sure both sides understand each other perfectly. Now you might think, okay, sounds good, but why is this so important? Because without proper analysis, companies build the wrong solutions. They waste lakhs or even crores of rupees. Projects get delayed and sometimes products completely fail. Business analysis ensures that what gets built is actually what the business need. Let's take a powerful real world example. When a global e commerce company decided to launch a premium subscription service, they didn't just randomly create it. They studied customer behavior, identifying pain points like high delivery charges and slow shipping, and converted those insights into clear product requirements. The result? A subscription model that now drives massive customers, loyalty, and revenue. That's the power of business analysis. Now imagine this visually. One side, business stakeholders, CEOs, managers, decision makers. On the other side, technical teams, developers, designers, engineers. And right in the middle stands the business analyst. Requirements flows from business through the BA to the tech team. Solutions flow back through the BA to the business. Perfect communication, zero confusion. Let's break down how business analysis actually works step by step. Step 1, identifying problem or opportunity. Step 2, talk to stakeholders, gather information. Step 3, analyze current processes and find gaps. Step 4, identify clear and measurable requirements. Step 5, work with tech teams to design solutions. Step 6, test and validate the solution. Step 7, document everything properly. This structured approach is what makes business analysis so powerful. Let's look at a practical business case. An e-commerce company wanted to improve its seller onboarding process. Their business analysts conducted interviews, surveys, and analyzed user drop-offs. They found multiple friction points, including unclear documentation steps. After redesigning the process, the onboarding time reduced drastically and new seller registrations increased significantly. This is what real impact looks like. Now, what tools do business analysts actually use? They use tools like Word or Confluence for documentation, Miro or Lucidchart for process diagrams, Jira for task tracking, Excel for data analysis, and Zoom or Teams for stakeholder communication. But remember, tools support the work, they don't replace thinking. Now, here's where things get interesting. AI is transforming business analysis. Tools can now summarize meetings, extract insights, and even help draft requirements. But the human side, empathy, decision making, stakeholder understanding, that cannot be replaced. The future business analyst will be a human plus AI collaborator. So let's quickly summarize. Business analysis bridges the gap between business and technology. It exists in every industry. It helps avoid costly mistakes. It focuses on solving the right problem. And it's evolving with AI, but human judgment remains key. If you are serious about building a career in business analysis, data, or tech, this series is for you. In the next chapter, I will break down the core skills every business analyst must have and how you can start learning them step by step. So make sure you follow, subscribe, and share this someone who wants to grow in their career. This is Vandana Prajapati, and I will see you in the next video.